Welcome back, little lambs. Happy lanternrite, guys! 恭喜发财，红包拿来. Today, we're making Gaming's specialty dish, Yummy Yum Cha. Gaming is our favorite local Canton boy. And funnily enough, Yummy Yum Cha is inspired by the dish Char Siu Bao, which originated in the southern Chinese Guangdong region, which, you guessed, has a lot of Canton people. The dough from Char Siu Bao actually takes 36 hours to make. What? And, your girl here is a lazy hoe. So I've decided to use mantou dough instead for ease of shaping and time efficiency. Alright, let's get into it. You'll need 1/4 teaspoon of yeast, 20 grams of sugar, 1/3 tablespoon of cooking oil, salt, 60 ml of milk, 300 grams of all-purpose flour, and 60 grams of wheat starch. First, you'll want to bloom your yeast, whatever that means. Basically, you want to add 1 teaspoon of sugar into 2 teaspoons of instant yeast and some warm water. Next, you'll want to add your flour, wheat starch, sugar, oil, and salt into a mixing bowl. Then pour in your bloomed yeast. Mix it all together and gradually add in your milk in separate parts. You'll want your milk cold, just like your mum, because that will prevent your yeast from cooking too much and over-developing. Eventually, you should end up with a nice dough which will cling wrap to keep moist. For the filling, I'm taking some pre-made char siu I had on hand. You want to chop up the meat until it's the size of your X's. This gives you a nice texture so that you can actually feel the meat.
Bombastic side eye.
We're gonna flour the tabletop and start kneading our dough. You'll need an orange portion, a yellow portion, a green portion, a white portion, and a brown portion, which should be the majority of your dough. We're gonna separate the brown dough into smaller balls and flatten them. Put in your char siu and then seal the hole so that nothing leaks out. I take that back. We're gonna need to make our own hole. Custom fit, you know. Time to assemble the lion. This part gave me multiple breakdowns. So I highly recommend that you pre-make all the parts first, or else you'll end up with something like this. Please. In between each part we stick on the body, make sure to dab a little bit of milk or water to help the dough stick together. We'll start with the whites of the eyes, then the mustache, then the orange irises, and stick on the ears. For the horns, you want to roll the dough into a teardrop shape, like so. We'll want to steam the buns for 10 to 12 minutes until fully cooked. Using any leftover char siu, stuff their mouths with your meat. And then top with a little bit of sriracha sauce. And done! There's your Yummy Yum Cha lions! If you like this kind of content, please make sure to click that notification button, like and subscribe, or alternatively, check out my Twitch channel where we do the live cooking streams and you can watch me have a mental breakdown real time. The answer is still no. Not you too, Dad!